First up, IMPD's recently approved $338 million budget includes funding for mental health resources for officers and other staff. WRTV's Rachel Wilkerson sat down with the police chief to learn how help will soon be available at an officer's fingertips.
Every day is different for police officers. Some of the things they do and see impacts their mental health, but they don't always talk about it. That's why IMPD Chief Chris Bailey says a new app was passed in the budget to give officers an anonymous outlet.
There is no way to really truly describe what officers experience and what they see on a day-to-day basis.
After 15 years with IMPD, Chris Wilburn medically retired.
I wore the badge as if it were Superman sometimes, and I didn't want to acknowledge what I was experiencing, what I saw, how it made me feel, how it impacted me.
IMPD Chief Chris Bailey says he doesn't want officers to be silent when they're struggling.
That's not acceptable any longer. It's okay to say something. It's okay not to be okay. We have to remove that stigma. This isn't the 1980s, 90s, or even the early 2000s where we want you to just man up and deal with the issue. We want you to talk about your issues.
The same company that helps officers heal from physical injuries will now help on the mental side through the Shield app. It will soon be in the hands of officers and staff who can use it to check in, find resources, and schedule appointments.
Protein Tactical Performance is the company. It allows officers to check in quarterly at a minimum, and it'll ask a series of questions, and then it's looking for things like sleeping disorders or anxiety or depression issues.
It's really to give them resources to evaluate themselves. How do I score on a depression scale? How do I score? How do I do from a sleep standpoint?
IMPD will then track the anonymous data for training purposes.
We want to save careers before I have to make decisions that end their employment. Things and behavior that occur that may have been as a result of untreated trauma.
Chief Bailey says the idea came from the Indianapolis Fire Department. Battalion Chief Rita Wright says IFD rolled out the app in March, and out of nearly 1,300 firefighters, around 50% have used the Shield app, around 20% specifically for mental health.
It has been so beneficial in helping our people go from I need a resource to preventing something from escalating to what could be a life-threatening situation.
Wilburn feels having an app like this could have possibly kept him on the force longer. He says he hopes people will use it.
Then maybe there'll be marriages saved, lives saved in terms of suicide, reduction in suicide rates amongst officers.
In Indy, Rachel Wilkerson, WRTV.
The company behind the app says the goal is to get those who reach out for help an in-person appointment within 72 hours.